Contraception has been one of the most significant subjects that allows individuals to make informed decisions concerning their reproductive health. Among the various methods available, contraceptive pills stand out to be one of the most effective and widely used options. Today, in this video, we are going to delve into the world of contraceptive pills, exploring their mechanisms, their types, the benefits, considerations, and many more. In other words, today we are going to discuss how to prevent pregnancy using contraceptive pills. But before we go into that, if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Ife and this is Ife Health View, where we talk about everything reproductive and sexual health. We also feature topics such as fitness and exercise, diet and nutrition, and general health. If this is the kind of content you like, then hit the subscribe button right now and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out. What that means is that whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be the #1 person to get notification, and it is free. Let's go there. First of all, let us understand the overview of contraceptive pills. What are contraceptive pills? Contraceptive pills are oral medications designed to prevent pregnancy. They contain synthetic hormones which mimic the natural hormones produced by the human body, primarily estrogen and progesterone. These hormones play a vital role in regulating menstrual cycle and fertility in general. Now, one of the most important questions you will ask is, how do we use it? How can it be used to prevent pregnancy? One thing you must understand is that contraceptive pills operate through several mechanisms, ensuring a comprehensive approach to pregnancy prevention. These mechanisms are 3 in number. Number 1 is inhibition of ovulation. One of the primary actions of contraceptive pills is to suppress ovulation. Of course, you know ovulation has to do with its release of eggs from the ovaries. Without ovulation, there will be no available eggs. There will be no eggs to fertilize. In other words, no matter the amount of sperm deposited, if there is no available eggs to fertilize, fertilization cannot occur. And without fertilization, there will be no pregnancy. Therefore, by suppressing ovulation or inhibiting ovulation, contraceptive pills prevent pregnancy. The second mechanism of contraceptive pills is cervical mucus thickening. Contraceptive pills also thickens the cervical mucus, making it more difficult for sperm to navigate through the cervix and reach the eggs, and this invariably prevents pregnancy. Contraceptive pills come in both extended and traditional cycle. In the first option, which is the traditional cycle, you take active pills for 21 days and then have a 7 days break with placebo pills or no pills at all. This typically results in the monthly withdrawal bleed resembling a period. But in the extended cycle, you are allowed to take pills continuously for an extended period, usually 84 days, before having a short break or no break at all. This can reduce the frequency of menstruation to 4 times in a year. Now, let's talk about how to start contraceptive pills to prevent pregnancy effectively. In trying to start the usage of contraceptive pills for effective prevention of pregnancy, timing is very important. Taking contraceptive pills at the same time every day is very crucial for its effectiveness. Trying to deviate from the recommended schedule or time increases the risk of getting unwanted pregnancy. Therefore, it is advisable to establish a routine that aligns with your daily activities, making it easier for you to remember. In other words, what I am trying to say is that if you have chosen to start your contraceptive pills at 8 p.m., then ensure you maintain that 8 p.m. every day for the rest of the month. Trying to deviate from time to time will increase your chances of getting unwanted pregnancy. In other words, you can't take contraceptive pills by 8 p.m. today and tomorrow you take it by 10 p.m. or by 6 p.m. No, it will alter the effectiveness of these pills. Therefore, maintain timing. Timing is very important if you have chosen to adopt the use of contraceptive pills to prevent pregnancy. And it is very important to note that starting the contraceptive pills on the very first day of your menstrual cycle increases the rate of effectiveness. At this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button right now and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified each time I drop videos like this. I promise to be dropping videos on this series of how to prevent pregnancy for the next 30 days using different available methods. So in order to be part of this journey, hit the subscribe button so that you don't forget, or so that you'll be notified when I drop these videos. And I expect your questions under the comment section. Drop any question of your choice under the comment section, and any method you feel you want me to make videos on, drop it under the comment section. It will be answered. And for other videos on reproductive health which I have done so far, browse through the channels and watch any video of your choice for educational purpose and to equip yourself with knowledge of reproductive and general health.